All right, guys, what is up? So today we're going to be talking about how to put your affiliate link into your sales funnel, into Clickfunnels. So I will be giving you this sales funnel from Clickfunnels that I created for free, so you can start jumpstarting, get ahead, be 10 steps ahead of everybody else. So first thing we want to do, let's go into ClickBank. So first we want to get our affiliate link from ClickBank. Okay, if you haven't signed in or signed up, it's free to sign up. Just create an account, open up basic information, and then when you're in here, we're ready to rock and roll. So first thing you want to do is you want to go down to homie here with the little box square right here. This is going to be your nickname. This is what you're going to create when you sign up for the account. So I put Pilot 301. So you're going to copy it or just remember it. This is what we're going to be putting in to generate our hop link or affiliate link. So once we have this, we're going to come down to this little house. It's going to be the marketplace. So today it's going to be health and fitness. Health and fitness. Scroll down to the health and fitness area. And then up here, sort results. Let's go ahead and put this into Gravity. So what Gravity is pretty much showing how many affiliates are using these products. Obviously, the bigger the number, the more the affiliates are using it and actually making sales. So it's actually working. So once you do that, scroll down, or you can just type it in. We're going to be doing custom keto here, view mobile. So every time you make a sale, this is how much you're going to be making per sale. So here's the Gravity down here. The Gravity is 349, which is actually really, really good. It's doing really well with other affiliates. Generally, when you pick one, you want to stay above 25.50. So anything above that is saying that affiliates are using it. They're doing really well and making sales from this. So 349, you can imagine, is doing really well. So this is going to be the affiliate page, all the information for affiliates like us to get as far as links, products, pictures, more information, anything. Let's see, this is going to be the website. So if you want to click up here, this is going to be the website that customers are going to see when they actually go from our sales funnel into the actual program. So this is going to be the custom keto here. They're going to click here, put in their information. And like I said, once they buy or they make a purchase, you make a commission, which is going to be $41.78. So right here, let's go ahead and get our link. Go to promote. This is where you're going to put in your actual nickname. So once again, Pilot 301 is for me. And this is pretty much what you can kind of do to kind of the tracking ID. So you can know, hey, this came from here, this came from there, whatever. Generate hop links. So in ClickBank, they call it hop links, but it's pretty much just going to be your link. This is going to be your link. Go ahead and just copy it. Either click on it, copy it, or click on this button right here. So we have it copied. All right, let's go ahead and get out of here. Now let's go into ClickFunnels. So if you don't have ClickFunnels yet, I will put a link down in the description. It's going to be a 14-day free trial. Click on that, download it, open up your 14-day trial, and then after you do that, I'm going to give you another link that's going to be down in the description where you can actually put in the funnel that I'm giving to you for free. So this is going to be the funnel, custom keto. So this is the funnel that I'm going to be giving to you for free that I've created. So if you want to kind of see it, this is going to kind of look at what you're doing. This is what it's going to look like. This is your sales funnel. This is going to be the custom keto. So people are going to come into your sales funnel. They're going to look at it like, you know what? I do have to lose weight, or I do got to start eating better, blah, 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 whatever the case is. They're going to look at it. They're going to see all the great perks, everything that's going on here. And then of course they're going to click on these buttons here. This is what we're going to do. So the main thing on this video is to put your link that we just got from ClickBank into here. So when they click on it and buy it, it comes back to you. All right, so let's go back here to the main page. Go to edit page. And everything is already set up for you. But let's say you get your sales page. You don't like this picture. You want to change it, whatever. So easy. Just go into whatever picture you want to do. Go to your settings. You can change it, upload it in different ways or whatever. Totally up to you guys. So I'm just kind of setting you up here for success, and then you take it and say, you know what, I don't like this, or maybe this and this. Before you start changing stuff, a really good recommendation is you want to actually keep your sales funnel with the affiliates website almost the same. You don't want to keep the customer guessing as far as, and I'm talking about like changing the colors, changing the theme. So their theme is obviously food. Look at their colors, what they're doing. They got a blue, greenish button down here. You want to keep on everything almost the same. And that's what you kind of did. So the buttons are almost the same color. You know, you're still putting out pictures on the type of foods that they have that they promote. So you want to keep everything, and you want to set up the customer and let them and show them that what they're going to be buying. So all right, so let's go back. So let's start with this button right here. You could either go to this little settings button or just click on it. Once you click on it, you want to set action. So what do you want to do once they click on this button? Go down to website URL. I already put in my link right here when I was making it. Erase, delete that whole thing, and copy and paste the link that you got from ClickBank. This is going to show them that, hey, it's going to send them to that website or to the custom keto website with your link on it. Okay? After that, come down to the second button, do the same thing. Click on it, set action. I put them both in. So delete the whole thing and paste your link in there. After that, come out of that, and before you do anything else, always save it. Always save it, because if you try to back out or exit, it's not going to save it. So now that link's in there, and it's kind of showing you, hey, this is a link that it's going to go to once you click on these buttons right here. So to kind of preview it, go up here to the top right, click preview, and this is what the customer sees once. This is what you're going to be putting out. The customer's going to see it. Okay, cool. All right, I like their food. All right, transformation, blah blah blah. I'm ready. I want to look in some more information. They click on the button, and boom, it sends them straight to that affiliate program page. So this is their website. Now that's all you got to do. Just drive the traffic from wherever you're posting your link on social media, get them to this product here, and then from here, they're the ones that are going to be selling it to them. They're going to click on it, they're going to continue, and if they buy, you're going to get a piece of that commission, which was 41, right? That's what we talked about. So that's all you got to do. That's it. So here's the funnel. Here it is. We already saved it. Let's go back. Cool. So now your sales funnel is ready to be put out. It's ready to start driving traffic in here, to put it out on social media, to put it out emails to your friends, to anybody that might use it. This is going to be your link right here that I'm going to be sharing. Like I said, I'm going to be putting a link down in the description. Once you create your Clickfunnels account, you're going to click on this link, and you're going to actually integrate it and put it into your account. Once this is a link that you're going to be posting everywhere, and I could just show you if you copy it and open up a new tab. Boom, it sends it straight to your sales funnel. So post this everywhere. You're going to drive traffic to here. Oh, cool. This is what I want. I wanted more information. Click on it. Boom, sends it straight to your affiliate. So very easy, super easy to do. All you have to do is start driving traffic. So I did this because I want to start, the more you give, the more you receive. So when I first started, other affiliates were helping me out to get my career or my future jump started, and that's what I want to start doing. So, and that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, if you guys have any questions, give me some comments. Please subscribe. I will be putting out some more info, some more videos later on. So yeah, I'll be here. Reach out if you guys need help. Also join my Facebook group. I also have a link down in the description. If you want to get serious, if you want to get into it and start creating your own online business, the 15-day challenge with Legendary Marketer. Once again, I have a link down in the description. It's going to send you straight to there. Get that rocking and rolling, start your program, and start learning. So until then, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one, all right?